Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Oh, it feels so nice filming again. Please excuse the mess in the background, I'm very sorry about that. Darius has recently started his own little online business thing, so he's getting all of that situated back there. He has a lot of stuff for his little business, so yeah, he's trying to get all of that organized and find the right places for everything to go and all of that. Anyways, so it has been absolutely forever since I last recorded a video. The last time I actually recorded a video was in July of 2022, but I think the last upload I had was in September. And if you guys don't know, I'm just going to briefly go a little bit over this. I don't want to go into too much detail, but I have been on bed rest for the last 5 months because I have fibromyalgia. Well, I've been semi-diagnosed with fibromyalgia. Found out that I've had this since my mid-teens. 2 doctors have diagnosed me, but I need to see a specialist next to be fully diagnosed. I've seen 2 doctors and 1 doctor therapist person, and next I have to see a specialist. So if you guys would like to know more about my little journey with fibro, let me know in the comments, and in my next video I'll go more detail. But anyways, so this is gonna be my first weekend off of bed rest, which is amazing. I miss doing life and all that. I'm so sick of sitting on the couch because I couldn't do stairs in our bedrooms or upstairs, so I've been sleeping on the couch. Today we are going to be going to the mall. Darius kind of wants to spoil me, I guess, a little bit, so you can see Freya over there a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my first vlog back. I am super excited. We have an hour drive to the city, so we decided to get a quick lunch from McDonald's. We came to the mall to go to the M&M store, Build-A-Bear, and to find Aiden a Oogie Boogie Funko. I will be cutting out the audio from the mall for copyright reasons. I find the M&M store really cool looking. This used to be the American Girl doll store, and now it's the M&M store. It's 2 levels, plus has an elevator to go between the 2 floors, so it's very accessible for everyone. And there's a lot of merch, there's a lot of different candies, you can design your own, you can pick out your own flavors. The reason that we came here mostly today is because they have my all-time favorite chocolate here, and that's their chocolate bars. They are to die for, but sadly they are discontinued. So that sucks, but here's a little video of the M&M store at the Mall of America. This is my favorite section of the M&M store. A lot of M&M and Minnesota styled shirts and mugs and jammies and all of that, and I absolutely love it. Aiden got a little thing of M&Ms and Mom got a M&M blanket. We are now at Lunchbox to find Aiden a Oogie Boogie Funko since Hot Topic didn't have one. We came to Build-A-Bear so Aiden could get a Jack Skellington bear and I could get a Axolotl, but sadly the Axolotl is not available in stores. Aiden couldn't decide which one he wanted, Oogie Boogie or Jack Skellington, so he tried to get both. He already has one of the Oogie Boogies, which is that neon green one, but today he decided to get that lighter green, more of a tannish Oogie Boogie with the dice. It was a lot of fun watching Aiden build his Oogie Boogie. He didn't get as into it as we thought he would, and the faces he was making was hilarious. We stopped at Mom's house after this because Stairs had to bring his truck in to get his tires rotated. We are now heading home and we are getting Qdoba for dinner. Well, I'm getting Qdoba. The boys are getting
cheeseburger.
Aiden's getting a cheeseburger. I cannot remember the name of it. Culver's. The boys are getting Culver's. That's what it's called. Sorry I didn't film much after the mall and on the way home. I fell asleep at Mom's house and I fell asleep on the way home. Today was the most I have done in the last 5 months and it wore me out. We weren't planning on going to the ice maze this year. We originally wanted to see the ice sculptures and go to the ice bar at Rice Park in St. Paul, but last week was the last weekend it was open. So we decided, hey, we still want to do something that's winter themed here in Minnesota, so we decided to go to the ice maze. Today is the last day of the ice maze. It was supposed to be going to the 19th, but it closed a week early due to how warm the weather has been getting and hasn't been melting the ice. As you see through the video, you can see huge puddles. There's bricks of ice missing, crumbling. People were kicking the bricks and just ice was just falling. People were making snowballs out of the ice. So I understand why they closed a week early. Here are some information about the ice maze in case you guys decide to go next year in 2024. The ice maze during weekdays is open from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and on the weekends it's open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. It is recommended to be there 15 to 30 minutes prior to your reserved time slot. Tickets for adults 15 and up is $24.99, and kids tickets from 5 to 14 is $12.99. Both tickets has a tax fee of $1.15, while children from 0 to 4 are free. For children, there is a scavenger hunt to find QBs, marshmallow friends that's hiding around the ice maze. You have to find all 12 of them to get a prize. We could only find 7, mostly because Aiden started getting tired and wanted to head out. So because of that, we did not find them all. But throughout this video, you'll see the little marshmallows guys that we did find in the maze. It is worth going during the day or night. For me, I personally go into the day because it's better photography opportunities, it's easier to take pictures, but at night, with all the lights, it's better for viewing. I personally do recommend going around sunset if you want the both experiences of during the day and night. So get there about half an hour to an hour, all depending on how much time you're planning on being there before sunset, so then you have the both experiences. Oh, and before we end the maze, I must mention that you have to sign a waiver before entering the maze. Today we are making the journey to the cities to eat at Houlihan's with the family and Grandpa. Every 2 weeks to a month we meet Grandpa at the same Houlihan's for some quality family time. It's kind of funny because the people at Hooplands all know us and we always sit at the same table, and if that table is booked, the people who book the tables always moved so we can get the corner table. It's quite funny because Mom and I are allergic to almost all citrus fruits, and Aiden is not, and his favorite fruits are limes. I got the chicken stuffed breast, Aiden got a cheeseburger, Mom got nachos, Dad got the same as me, Grandpa got the cracker fired shrimp, Darius got chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, and Eric got a cheeseburger.
No, not the bun. Can I have a fry? No, not the bun. No. I just want plain fry. Just a fry. Thank you. Can I have a fry? Oh.
Yeah, he was a really nice guy. Yeah. He says he hates going back to Chicago.
I'm not eating the bun. Fry. I don't want the bun. I don't want the bun. I don't want the bun.
Feeding the geckos and snakes, or snake. There we go. Here's Hiccup, my little girl. Why is it not focusing? There we go. Look at her! Little angry face, look how cute she is! She's been a biter. She's been biting my brother Preston when he feeds them. Oh, I love that little angry face. She's so cute. Oh, my precious little girl. We can't bring the geckos home just yet. We don't really have the room for them as of right now. So Mom's been taking care of them, and you can see Toofy, the lick marks. My big boy. So I have Hiccup, Toothless, and Mom has Meatlug. It's always a blast having dinner with Grandpa, and I cannot wait to go back in a couple of weeks to next month.